Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload an image in ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to upload a picture in ChatGPT, you have come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To upload an image in ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Once you are on ChatGPT, open the chat where you want to upload the image. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the gallery icon or attachment icon. This will open a pop-up menu with different options. From the menu, tap on Photos to upload from the device gallery or tap on Camera to take a photo using the camera, depending on your preference. If you select Photos, a new screen will appear showing your device's pictures. Find and choose the image from your phone's gallery. You can also select multiple photos. Once selected, tap Add. Now the image will appear in the chat input area. Add your message or prompt and tap the Send button. Your image will now be sent to ChatGPT and you can start interacting with it.